Hello, my name is Hala and this is my mother and today we're cooking for you.
Hello, my name is Zina. I am from Syria, from Aleppo city, and I arrived to Netherlands 5 years ago and start my own catering company, Zina's Kitchen. And today I chose for you 2 famous recipes from the Syrian kitchen.
Alright Mom, what are we cooking today?
Today I chose for you 2 famous recipes. One of them, it's your favorite, tabbouleh salad. And the tabbouleh salad, to do tabbouleh salad we need petersilie, tomato, fresh onion, and mint, fresh mint. We need fine bulgur, dry mint, salt, red paprika, and the lemon. The most important ingredient is the lemon. Give some fresh taste for the salad, and the healthy thing we cannot go in our kitchen without it, the olive oil. Then we go to the other recipe. The other recipe is kebbeh asab, and the kebbeh asab it's meat. So you can choose or lamb or sheep or cow, your favorite meat, and fine bulgur. We need as well green paprika, the red paprika, onion. It has to be chopped slices. We need garlic powder with some pepper, and red pepper, black pepper, salt, and we need almond. I roast it like this, so we need to use it roasted. And we need pine pompidon. Okay, and also we need the olive oil. Always we use the olive oil in our kitchen, the Syrian kitchen. Sometimes we use the butter or the ghee, the Arabic ghee. But for me, for my kids, or for my customers, always I use the olive oil. It's more healthy, more tasty also.
Well, this is a lot of ingredients. What are we gonna do with them next?
Now we have to start to prepare the tabbouleh, the salad. So now I have the petersilie, and I need all of it. I need as well the mint. Also I cut it. The tomato, I will not take all of it. I will take the big part and I will leave a little bit for decoration, like this. The chopped fresh onion, we need all of it. So as you see, we chopped everything very fine. And now we add the mint. We need 2 small spoons. I like it a little bit chili, not too much, so I will add just 1 small spoon. We need a little bit salt, so we need 2 spoons to make it a little bit clear. It doesn't have to be salty, but clear taste. And the bulgur, I put it in the water a little bit, so we don't need to cook it, just put it in the water. And we need to mix them now with the vegetables. So now I will add the lemon juice, and for this amount I need 2 lemon juice. And I will add now the olive oil, and I need ½ cup. Now we mix them all together. Look how much it's really fresh and really very tasty. The last step, the lemon zest gives the tabbouleh the freshness taste.
What are we gonna do next?
And now we will do the kebbeh. And the kebbeh, it's a very famous dish from the Aleppo city. We have maybe 100 kind of kebbeh, and today I chose the most easier one, the kebbeh asab. Kebbeh asab, we need the meat, and I need the bulgur, And the bulgur, I put it in the water 5 minutes ago. So now I will add half of the amount of the olive oil for the kebbeh. The rest I need to use it at the end. I mix now the kebbeh. Today is Ramadan, and yeah, it will be more healthy and more easy for them to eat. So Hala, I need the garlic powder, 2 spoons, please, and 2 spoons of salt. Yes, perfect. Try to put it all over. Yeah. 1 spoon of black pepper and red paprika. And I want all of this by bomb it in. So now we need to make it balls. Hala will help me.
Speaking of Ramadan, what are your memories of it?
It's a special month for us. Maybe especially for me as a person who is away from his country. I'm away from my country since 10 years ago.
Yeah.
I didn't do Ramadan. I didn't have Ramadan with my family. You cannot feel the vibe without families. The spirit feeling also all together. Yes, perfect. But as you see, I put the olive oil, the rest of the cup here in the tray to bake it all together. And I will add the onion here and the paprika, the red paprika and the green paprika. We put it in the oven 20 minutes, 180 degrees. So we are going to cut the bread in this shape. I will be ready to make the presentation of our meal. Paprika, roasted almond, the bitter sali. I hope you like it and you enjoy and enjoy it to eat it also as well.